Hello my dear students. Today I'll be explaining y'all the second most important aspect of this staffing function, that is your selection. The first important aspect is recruitment. I have already explained the various sources of recruitment, that is internal source and external source. So this is the second most important, that is selection. As I told earlier that selection is a negative process. Why it is a negative process? Why recruitment is a positive process? I have already explained. Now I'll explain selection as a process. The second most important, selection is the process of identifying and choosing the best person out of a number of prospective candidates for a job. In the first step, that is, we estimate manpower requirement. The second is that the second important function of the staffing is that we collect the pool, we create a pool of applicants. Once when the creation of pool of applicants of the qualified people is done, here comes the word selecting. It means choosing the best person. So choosing happens out of wide choice. The number of prospective applications or candidates who have applied for the job. So here comes the step which involves the elimination of unsuitable applications or applicants, or it is called as unsuitable candidates. So we need to eliminate. In order to select the most suitable candidate, this is called as a negative approach or a negative process. So that is a selection process. So definition of selection, in the words of David and Robbins, selection is a managerial decision. It's a decision taken by the management making process as to predict which job applicants will be successful if hired, who is suitable, who acquires the knowledge and who can adjust with the working environment that is present in the organization. Prediction of about the job applicant is called as selection. Making a decision of selecting a particular personnel, a prospective employee, is called as a selection. So in the words of David and Robbins, he says that in order to predict and say that he or she is a suitable candidate for the job, we need to have certain process for that. And that process is called as a selection process, which involves various steps. So the selection process involves, first is preliminary screening, second is selection tests, third is employment interview, fourth is reference and background checks, fifth is selection decision, sixth is medical examination, seventh is job offer, and lastly contract of employment. So this is a selection procedure which is involved to choose the best person as well as to eliminate the unsuitable applicants. In that, the first is preliminary screening. What is preliminary screening? On the basis of preliminary screening of application form, it means study of application form, unqualified candidates are eliminated. The unsuitable candidates or the unqualified candidates are eliminated in the first step of the selection process. Other suitable applicants are called for the first round of interview known as preliminary interview. So once the unqualified candidates are eliminated, the applicants who have been selected, the suitable applicants, they will be called for the first round of interview, which is known as preliminary interview. It helps to reject the candidates for reasons which did not appear in the application forms. Even after going through the application form, if the candidate is found that still the study has to be done, then that study can be done with the help of this preliminary interview. With the help of preliminary interview, we are able to reject the candidates for reasons which did not appear in the application forms. So that was about preliminary screening, which is done in this way by interviewing the selected applicant, and even after selected applicant has put some impression on the employer or an HR person, which makes that HR person to reject the candidates for the reason, such reasons can be identified with the help of this preliminary screening or preliminary interview, which was not identified in the application forms. So that was the first step of selection process. Thank you one and all.